Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to configure this sound permission access for your websites. Say suppose you have any website like youtube.com which is automatically playing your video and even the audio. So in order to stop that, what you can do is you can just go tap on this three dot options and go to settings, and within the settings go to the site settings, and if you scroll down you have this option called as sound, which is currently allowed, which means all the sites can play the sound without your permission. So if you just tap on this toggle switch and disable it, it will mute all sites that can play sound. So you can add an exception. Say suppose you want to mute all sites but you want to allow YouTube to play the sound, then you can just enter youtube.com here and then add, and it will be added to exception list where only YouTube will be allowed to play the sound and rest all other sites will be blocked. So in this way you can manage the sound permissions. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.